Welcome to the V4 News Business Talk program, and this is Veena Nayak. Today we have our guest as Mr. Varun D'Souza. He is from New Tech Industries by Kampadi Industrial Area. Welcome Mr. Varun D'Souza. May I know what kind of business are you into?
We are into manufacturing of machineries, mainly your coconut oil processing machineries, copra drying, coffee processing machineries, and we also do all type of custom made machineries. You have any idea or anything, we will manufacture it and give it to you.
Okay.
We also provide services in and around Mangalore and South India.
So mainly Mr. Varun is into process machinery business, and you're manufacturing the machines, right?
Yeah, we manufacture, we design, we manufacture and also provide services to you.
Okay.
And our unit is in Kampadi. We have got all the type of machineries, some of them.
Okay. So I think you have a very good lot of space, right? Because it is very big machineries.
Yeah, we have around 4,000 square feet of a factory over there. So we manufacture and it is not kept in stock, but we immediately send it to the customer's place.
So New Tech Business Technologies?
New Tech Industries.
New Tech Industries, okay. So New Tech Industries, you are into the process of machines as well as designing and
any type of machineries, designing, and even we give services and consultation also. If you have existing machineries and if there is issue or problem which if you have got from outside and you cannot solve it, we can solve that and give it to you also.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes.
So you not only manufacture but also you solve if there is an issue in the machine.
Machines, correct.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And like where do you supply your machines? So you have a restricted area or?
No, we are not restricted to any area. Even we have exported to African countries and many Asian countries, and last month only we have supplied to Philippines and Taiwan to machineries of coconut processing. So it is not restricted to any area. We are ready to supply to any part of the world.
Oh, you are supplying within Mangalore and outside Mangalore. Not only that, within India and outside India also.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, that's great to hear.
Thank you.
So, what is this New Tech Industry, sir? It is a family business, or you yourself have come up with that?
Initially,
how many years you are into this?
Yeah, 2008 we started this business. It was started by my dad, Mr. Gresham D'Souza. He started it and I joined this company for 2013. And since then we are making, we are providing all the service and machineries, and it's going on still.
So it is your dad's business and you have come up with the same background and improved the business also?
Yes, correct. I have come from the mechanical field itself. So it has helped to improve, and we have year on year we are adding new products every time. Last year only we have added oil and flour mill machineries, ragi, rice powdering machines, and oil extracting machineries. Ghana we tell normally in Mangalore. So those machineries also available in this.
So the people who have plans to come up with the new whatever factories or something, they can order the machines from you?
Yeah, sure. In case if the machineries are not there readily with us also, we can design it as per your requirement, and we can supply that machineries to you.
How long is this process, designing and then manufacturing the machines?
It takes time. Means if it is a small machine, maybe in a 2 to 3 days we can design it, and processing, manufacturing maybe around 5 to 10 days. Normally our machineries we take from 1 to 2 months also, some of the machineries, which is very big. I mean for the processing, one single machinery is not enough. We have to get multiple machineries. There will be 3 or 4 or sometimes around 30 to 40 machineries also has to be accommodated in the same area.
So you have a continued sittings with your client?
Yes, we have a continuous coffee curing works and oil machines. Those are all continuous business, and it is going. Lot of clients we have in and around Mangalore.
Okay. I heard you are also into BNI. May I know what is this BNI?
BNI is Business Network International.
Uh-huh.
It's a group of businessman people which come as a chapter, and we support each other through referrals and to our own
You
benefit.
mentioned international. It means that it is worldwide organization.
Yes, worldwide organization. It is almost there in all the major cities or major countries. Not only
okay.
limited to Mangalore. It is.
Okay.
It is available everywhere in the world.
So you are in Mangalore.
Yeah, I am from Mangalore BNI Infinity chapter.
I heard BNI is coming with like some big brand expo.
Yes.
What is this big brands expo, sir?
Big Brand Expo is a exhibition where all the business, whatever products they have or service they are providing, it will be showcased on the TMI Pi all. As you know, normally we have to search or ask with someone else, but this is a good opportunity where we can come and see what in Mangalore and Udupi, what kind of machineries and what kind of business people are there, what kind of products and all are provided, it is a good opportunity to explore what is going on in Mangalore and Udupi.
Yeah, I heard that they are holding this exhibition from long time. This is
yes,
now
this
they are
is
coming up with Big Brand Expo 2025.
Yes,
it
correct.
It is at TMI Pi Convention Center.
It's at TMI Convention Hall, and October 10, 11 and 12. It's a 3-day program.
Oh, it's a 3-day program.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So it's a good opportunity.
So it is supposed to be a big talk of Mangalore.
Yes, correct. I think it is a 5th year they are doing this exhibition.
Okay.
And it's good to see that normal exhibitions are related to household products, maybe a dress or something like that. But here you will get what kind of business or services are there in and around Mangalore, which is hidden from us. We may not know. We may search in Google and find out from somewhere else out of the Mangalore, but it may be available in Mangalore itself.
Okay, so this is a time where you get directly related to the people who are involved into different kind of business, and people can see as well as touch and feel the products also.
Yes, correct. There will be many products which they are going to showcase in our Big Brand Expo. So you can see them, you can feel them, and you can also ask them the details, and you can know more about them. You can visit here.
You have on-spot sale also?
Yes, some of the products are on-spot sales are there. Or else you can pre-book the products even if it is not available. I am sure they will be providing it some custom made machine products and all are there, which has to be pre-booked. So that opportunity is also there. You can.
So you have how many chapters of BNI in Mangalore?
Mangalore there are 6 chapters, and Udupi there are 2 chapters.
So you are from which chapter, sir?
I am from Infinity, BNI Infinity chapter, Mangalore.
Okay. Yeah. So I heard there are a lot of sponsors also for the chapter.
Yes.
And I heard you are also the one of the sponsors.
Yeah, correct. I am one of the silver sponsor for this Big Brand Expo.
Oh, that's great.
So
we will come to know more about new technologies if we visit the Big Brand Expo.
Yes, sure. We have a stall A44. So you can visit there. You can. We are planning to keep some small machineries for the display also. So you can know how we manufacture and what our products are.
So if you want to know what Mr. Varun D'Souza is doing, you can directly come to BNI Expo, that is to be held on October 10th, right, sir?
October 10, 11 and 12.
Yeah, October 10, 11 and 12 at TMI Pi Convention Center. And that is the timing, sir?
Timings, it will be from morning to night, maybe from around 9 o'clock to 8 p.m.
Okay. So what is the entry fee to come to that place, sir?
There is no entry fee. It's free to anyone. Anyone can come, they can explore whatever products are available in Mangalore and around. And they
you can come to see there lot of products, lot of business people, lot of stalls coming up. So from around 9 o'clock they can come around and you come to at any time in the morning from 9 to
9 you can
9
say.
to
Yeah.
9, yeah. They can come around from 9 to 9 and see whatever business people who have come there with their products or with their machineries as new technologies, and Yeah.
Around, as I know, there will be around 120 stalls.
huh.
So you will get a exposure of around 120 businessmen and businesses that is going on in Mangalore.
Yeah. Among them, one is
One
Mr.
is-
Varun D'Souza with New Tech Industries, and he is into manufacturing of process
Machineries.
machines.
Yes.
Right, sir?
Yeah. Yes.
What is your expectation from the Big Brand Expo, sir?
Since it is a unique big brand expo, where a lot of products and all will be displayed, we are expecting around 15 to 18,000 people to come and visit this expo.
So people like me and you will just rush and visit TMIPI Convention Hall on October 10, 11 and 12 and just watch what people are doing, and especially it is Mr. Varun D'Souza of New Tech Industries, and he is into manufacturing of machines and people who deal with oil mills and flour mills and also chicken processors. All these kind of machines are made by Mr. Varun, and please visit stall number 44 and find out what Mr. Varun is doing. Thank you everyone for watching V4 News Business Talk. Let's meet again in another program with another business person. Thank you.